It's your girl, Hey Marie, from Hey Marie Lace Wigs. This is another one that I'm working on, guys. And I didn't record the process because it actually wound up being too small after I cut it. But basically, these is going to be the leggings with the opening on each side. And the elastic going around the waist. And then this shirt with the bell peplum shorter sleeves, guys. And these was gonna be the ankle capris. So the outfit, it didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to. So I'm gonna wind up have to get some more fabric and add some more to it. But I love the fabric, guys. You see the fabric, it got sparkles in it. So these would be really cute, either with my sparkling boots or whichever I would put with it. You want to say hi? Wait. Come here, I'm going to let you say hi. Do you want to say hi? Ah! Look at you. Wait. Stop. You almost pulled my shirt off. Stop. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys, but I'm still working on it, and I don't have any wiggle room. But if you guys can see what I'm saying, this is the part right here. I'm going to put the elastic, and it rolls over, and you insert elastic through. So when you put it on, the leggings kind of have that open on each side and around to the back. But I have absolutely no wiggle room left. So I'm going to have to remake this over. So, but if you guys wanted to create that, that's kind of what you would do. Just when you get to the leggings right here, you cut out each side of the leggings. And I kind of cut these to the point. I should have made them bigger. I thought it had more spandex, and it actually didn't. So thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. So y'all see this? This is what the pants look from the inside. So when I'm saying I'm going to fold it down, I'm going to fold it down because I'm going to insert elastic through this part, guys. And that's what's going to hold the pants up. Okay, so that's the front side. And then this the back side. So you fold this down because you're going to take the elastic and you're going to fish it through. And that's what's going to hold your leggings up on the side. So it'll have your sides actually out. So that's what I'm doing. That's where the elastic is going to go. And then I'm going to show you guys the insertion of the elastic. So what I probably should have did to make these pants fit perfect, I alterated the pattern. I shouldn't have did that. I should have made the leggings the normal way I do them. Just make them longer, and then I should have cut the size in after the fact, because that's why they wind up being too small. Okay, so if you guys see, I got this. And I'm going to sew each one down, and then I'm going to insert the elastic, guys. I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right. Okay, guys, so I have my elastic ready. So we're just going to feed it through. And this will be real simple, feeding it through, because it's not a big piece. But keep your elastic going straight the right way. So you guys see, I inserted it like that. Now I'm finna insert it like this. And then I'm gonna take it on around. So each side of the pants will have a slit. Oh, it came off. Gee whiz. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert it through, then I'll come back. I don't want to take up a lot of y'all time. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this is the elastic that I inserted in that goes around the waist. So if you guys can see, the leggings has a split on each side, and that's this elastic right here going around the leggings. So that's what it looks like, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so this is the finishing results after the elastic. Everything has been added. And because I got this ruffly sleeve, I just went on and put this under the bottom, but these are actually capris. They stop right there. So, yeah, this is the finishing look. And I don't know, these with some red on the bottom, these are the ones that I made. I don't actually know what shoes I will wear, but yeah, so this is the finishing result, guys. You guys watched the series when I made red bottoms. I painted the bottom of my shoe red and put the polyurethane on. So guys, I'm totally finished, and these are the leggings with the size out. So if you guys want to do that, that's how you will be able to do it. So thank you guys so much, and as always, God bless, guys. Bye bye.